everyone.
This is Teacher Josh.
And this is Teacher Dan.
And we welcome you back again for another English lesson where we learn the English alphabet and its sounds,
vocabularies, and each sentence structure.
Are you ready? First, let's sing one song.
What song, Teacher Dan?
How do you do?
Oh, is that the song? How do you do, everybody? How do you do?
Right, you are correct. Are you ready?
I am ready, Teacher Dan. Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Yes.
Music.
How do you do, everybody? How do you do? How do you do, everybody? How do you do? I love you and you love me. Clap your hands and sing with me. I love you and you love me. Clap your hands and sing with me. How do you do, everybody? How do you do? How do you do, everybody? How do you do? I love you and you love me. Clap your hands and sing with me. I love you and you love me. Clap your hands and sing with me.
Alright, did you enjoy our song? Very good. So let's start our lesson now. In our past discussion, we learned about a specific letter and its sound. Can you still remember what letter is it? What letter is this? Alright, the letter is I. Do you know what sound does it make? Excellent, the sound is E. Apart from learning the letter I and its sound, we also learned about vocabularies that starts with the sound E in the beginning. And I'm gonna ask you to help me out recall these vocabularies. Teacher then would ask you a question, what word is this? You would say the word is ... Okay, are you ready? Let's start with our first vocabulary. What word is this? Okay, the word is inside. Very good. What word is this? Great, the word is igloo. Next. What word is this? Great! The word is iguana. What word is this? Okay, the word is insect. Next. What word is this? The word is inches. Excellent. And last but not the least, what word is this? Alright, the word is ink. Thank you for helping me out recall those vocabularies. For today, Teacher Josh will teach us another letter. Are you ready?
Good day, children. So it's me again, Teacher Josh. As what Teacher Dan told you, Teacher Josh will be teaching you a new letters. Remember? So are you ready? Great! So let's begin. The letter is P. The sound is P. The letter is P. The sound is P. Repeat after me, okay? The letter is P. The sound is P. Excellent. One more time. Again, the letter is P. The sound is P. Well done, children. So again, what letter is this? What sound does it make? Great. So the letter is P. The sound is P. Well done. Great. So since we know already the letter P and its sound, big letter P and small letter P. This time, Teacher Josh will teach you how to write letter P using our letter house. So the first letter I will teach you is the big letter P. But before that, I want you to repeat after me, okay? Great. So let's begin. Roof. Repeat after me. Roof. One more time. Roof. Great. Next. Ceiling. Ceiling. Repeat after me. Ceiling. Great. So next we have floor. Floor. Repeat after me. Floor. Floor. Great. And last but not the least, basement. 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 Repeat after me. Basement. One more time. Basement. Great. So, are you ready to learn how to write letter P on the board? Great. So, let's begin. Teacher Josh will teach you how to write the big letter P. Are you ready? Okay, so look closely. So, from the roof down to the floor. Can you repeat after me? So, from the roof down to the floor. Okay? One more time. So, from the roof down to the floor. Great. So, next. From the roof, half circle down to the ceiling. Repeat after me. So from the roof, down half circle, going to the left to the ceiling. Understand? Great. So again, let's do it again. So from the roof, down to the floor, and then to the roof, half circle down to the ceiling. And this is the big letter P. Great, well done. So next letter, Teacher Josh will teach you how to write the small letter P. Are you ready? Great, so let's begin. So the big letter, we started from the roof down to the floor, right? So this time, for the small letter P, we will start from the ceiling down to the basement, okay? So listen and watch closely, okay? Great. So from the ceiling down to the basement. Next, and then from the ceiling, half circle down to the floor. One more time. From the ceiling, half circle down to the floor. Great. So this is the small letter P. And this is the big letter P. Well done, children. So let me ask you again. What letter is this? Great. What sound does it make? Excellent. So the letter is P. The sound is P. The letter is P. The sound is P. Great. So since we know the letter P and its sound, big letter P and small letter P, and how to write it down using our letter house, this time Teacher Josh will teach you the words that begin in letter P in P sound. Are you ready? Great. So let's begin. Pencil. Pencil. Next, peanut. Peanut. Next, pancake. Pancake. Next, party. Party. Next, people. People. And last but not the least, pizza. Pizza. Great. Well done, children. This time, I want you to repeat after me. Can you say, the word is pencil. The word is pencil. Repeat. Well done. Great. Next, the word is peanut. The word is peanut. Well done, children. Next, the word is pancake. The word is pancake. Great. Next, the word is party. The word is party. Well done. Next, the word is people. The word is people. Well done, children. And then last but not the least, we have the word is pizza. The word is pizza. Great job, children. This time, Teacher Josh will ask you a question and you have to say, the word is. Okay? Are you ready? Let's begin. What word is this? Well done. The word is pencil. Great job. And then next, what word is this? Good job, children. So the word is peanut. Great. Next, what word is this? Very good. The word is pancake. Next, we have, what word is this? Great job. So the word is party. Next, what word is this? Good. So the word is people. And last but not the least, what word is this? Well done, children. So the word is pizza. Great. So since we know the words that begin in letter P, I want you to ask again, what letter is this? Great. So what sound does it make? And this is the big letter P. And this is the small letter P. Great job, children. I hope to see you again next week. Bye-bye.